The Mystical Cats Tarot has 78 borderless images illustrated with realistically drawn cats behaving as cats do just inside tarot scenes. It's a pleasure to see normal cats, not dressed or in human-like positions, with feline body language matched to the feeling and meaning of each tarot card. Anyone who has ever owned or been owned by a cat knows its wild and mystical nature. Open the door to a magical world of feline enchantment that offers eternal and ancient wisdom with the Mystical Cats Tarot. Discover amazing artwork of various domestic breeds that look and behave like normal cats, but face many challenges, relationships, and life lessons that reveal the answers to our most important questions. Organized by elemental suits Earth, Sea, Fire, and Sky and cat-based court cards, this deck presents the descendants of the cat goddess in all their furry glory. Check out the links in the description for more information about this tarot deck. Like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tarot deck reviews.